When starting or returning to a hobby like RC, sometimes there's a lot of initial startup cost. To help compromise between budget and necessity, I'm sharing this simple DIY RC stand. The stand is sawed from a piece of 4x4 scrap wood. The actual size of a 4x4 piece of wood is 3.5 by 3.5 inches. I sawed this piece of scrap wood 3.5 inches to make it a cube shape. So now looking from the bottom up, we can see that without the cap, the link arms may be resting on the stand. Then we can just add a simple cap on here, and that solves the problem. The advantages of having a stand for your RC are to take the wheels off of the ground. Now the tires are resting off of the surface, and nothing's on there. Of course, this makes it a lot more unstable, but just being held on a shelf should be fine. This should help prevent flat spots or compressing the foam. Also, if you want to do something like take the whole wheel and tire off, you don't have to hold up the RC while you're doing it. Still a little bit unstable, but again, the gear is not touching. I hope you've enjoyed this simple DIY RC stand. Let us know in the comments what you use for your RC stand and if it's DIY. If you haven't yet, subscribe now. There are also videos on our other YouTube channels. Thank you for watching.